Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn about DC to DC converter. In DC to DC converter, we will be doing today buck converter. So, what is buck converter? Buck converter is a DC to DC converter to step down the output voltage. Whatever supply we are going to give, this will reduce the voltage and it will increase the current. So it is also called a step down converter. A step down converter. Okay, it will step down the voltage. Voltage will be step down. Okay, and current will be increase. We are talking about the output voltage and output current. Okay, so whenever we need to step down the DC voltage for AC, we do have to step up or step down AC voltage. We do have transformers, but for DC but if we have DC supply, then we need to use a DC to DC converter. Okay, so it is if we talk about the applications of buck converter, then it is used in computers, switch modes, power supplies. These are the two examples where we are using buck converters. There are many more examples that we can look into. So if we talk about the circuit diagram, then it will look like this. It will be having a supply voltage Vs. This is the DC voltage. Then we have a switch in series and a freewheeling diode, a inductor and a capacitor, and a load connected across to capacitor. Okay, this is switch, this is freewheeling diode, this is inductor, this is capacitor, and this is load. Output voltage we will be getting across the load, and here the output current will be flowing. Fine. So if we talk about the working or operation of this circuit, then how it will work? It will be divided into two modes. Mode 1, when the switch is on, means this switch is closed. Okay, तो साथ साथ हम लोग इसकी वेवफॉर्म्स भी ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, सो इट विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या क्या मेन वोल्टेज हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है. वन इज this will be I input current that is coming from the source. Fine. Then this will be ID, current to diode, and will be IL, inductor current, the current which is going through the inductor. Okay, this will be IC, and I naught we have already mentioned. So mainly we need to draw V naught. What is the output? Okay, IL, inductor current, ID, diode current, I input current. Okay, so when the switch is on, what will happen? The switch is on till here, till T1. Okay, the switch is on, T on time period. Fine. What will happen when the switch is on? This input current will charge the inductor plus to minus. Fine. And it will go to load, and some partial current will flow in capacitor. Then IC current will also flow. Fine. So when current will flow from this, we will get the output voltage V naught. This is we can call it VDC. Okay, fine. Now what will happen to inductor? It will charge from minimum to maximum, I minimum to I maximum. It will charge, this supply voltage will charge the inductor, I minimum to I maximum. Fine. And there will be no current because the circuit is this, so freewheeling diode is not working, so ID will be 0 at that time. And if you talk about input current, it will be same, which the current is inductor current, so it will be same like this. Okay. Then if we talk about the off period, when the switch is off, T off. Mode 2 is when the switch is off. When the switch is off means it is open circuit like this. Okay, what will happen? That this supply voltage will be unuseful, means it will not be work. It is not on. It is not of a use. So what will happen? This freewheeling diode will work. Means this inductor will release the current, and it will change the polarity from plus to minus to minus to plus. It will release the energy. So what will happen? It will release the energy from maximum to minimum. Fine. This energy will flow through this load, and because the supply voltage is not connected, so V naught will be 0. Only freewheeling current will be flowing through the load. Fine. So we will find the ID now. What is ID? ID will be same, which is coming out from inductor from maximum to minimum. Fine. And input current will be 0 in this time. Okay, again T on period will come, then T off period will come, same scenario will happen, and we will get the waveform like this. Okay, this will be 0, and this will be maximum to minimum. This will be minimum to maximum, and again 0. Okay, so this is the operation of buck converter. Now what we will get? The output voltage we average, if we calculate it will be D into Vs. And what is D? D is duty ratio. Duty ratio is T on upon T into Vs. Okay, so if we calculate this, then we'll get to know that the average output voltage is lesser than the input voltage. Okay, fine. This was the operation of buck converter or step down converter. In next lecture we will be doing boost converter. Thank you. Take care.